Y'all know how much I love unit conversions, so maybe I lied a little bit when I said that these were kind of my favorite. Electroplating is a wonderful application and has a lot of applications, particularly with engineering. So you may find it helpful. It's sort of like dealing with electrolysis and making it useful. So what we're doing is we're going to take a silver solution and we're actually going to plate solid silver onto something. So here is our reaction. So notice this is a reduction. Metals generally want to be oxidized. So this is using electrolysis. We want to know how much time in minutes is it going to take. So this is what the question is asking us for, time. We're given a mass of silver and we are running a current of 3 amps through this. Now, again, you're going to need this when you get to physics. An amp is the same thing as a coulomb per second. So there's our unit of time, seconds, but we want to deal with minutes. All right, so we need to figure out how in the world we're going to do this. So let's start with 12 grams of silver. Now what happens with this electron? We have moles of electrons. So we need to get in moles. So we need our periodic table. The periodic table says 107.9 grams of silver gives us 1 mole of silver. And we know that every 1 mole of silver here gives us 1 mole of electrons. All right, so that's where that comes from. Now we can use the Faraday constant, 96,485 coulombs per mole of electrons. Now what do? We can cancel coulombs and get seconds. So 3.0 coulombs per second. Oh, there we go. So a lot of times, this is what I'll generally use to get things. And sometimes I do this and I get completely upside down. But we don't want seconds, we want minutes. 60 seconds equals 1 minute. So how long is it going to take to electroplate out 12 grams of silver? So y'all know how much I love unit conversions. So here we go. 12 times Faraday's constant, divide by molar mass, divide by current, divide by 60 seconds. So 59.6 minutes. If you want to round that up to 60, you can say 1 hour, but that's not in minutes.